my PreCuts Quilt Shop box came in the mail, so let's see what's inside. So I got this in the mail last night and I really wanted to open it, and this is going to be the first time that I have ever opened one of these on camera. I usually can't wait and just go ahead and dive in. So you can see it's not open. So let's see what's inside. I'm really excited. This is my favorite box that I get from anywhere. I get the one from the Fat Quarter Shop too. But this one is my favorite. I used to get the fabric sampler from Annie's. I canceled that one. I just didn't think it was worth the money, and not quilt related, but I also get Annie's Knit Afghan box, and I really like that one, but this is by far my favorite box that I get monthly. And the reason is that they're always really well put together. Everything usually goes together. You can tell there's a reason that each thing's in the box. It's not just a bunch of stuff thrown in. And while I like the Fat Quarter Shop's sampler box, everything that comes is always beautiful. You can really tell with this box that they take a lot of care in selecting everything. And Fat Quarter Shop, I love your box. Don't get me wrong. I just really get excited for this one because I know everything's really gonna go together. So let's open. Let's see. You see nothing because there's tissue paper covering it. There's something large in it. I don't know what it is. But there's always a little brochure that tells you everything you need to know about the box. It tells you who a winner was, because if you share, you get you could get entered to a drawing to get a box for free. So if you share on social media, I can't talk today, hashtag PreCuts Quilt Shop, you'll enter into a giveaway to win a box for free. And then they go through and tell you everything that's in the box this month and how much it costs, what it all is about. And then for the quilt pattern that they put, they always have on the side here, I'm going to cover up the coupon codes, but they always have on the side what you need to finish the quilt aside from what is already in the box. So let me put back the tissue paper so you can see how the box looks when you open it. So it looks like, to me, this is likely a a layer cake. I'm like, what is it? The color is beautiful. It's like peach and greens. It's kind of, it has a spring feel to me, but we are getting into fall, but I think it's really beautiful. I'm definitely going to use this fabric. I'll open it up to show some more of the fabric in it. The thread matches really nicely with it. So I think this is what I mean by I feel like a lot of the stuff in the box goes together. Sometimes I'll get thread that doesn't really go with the fabric that I got, and you can always use thread, so I'm never mad about it. But yeah, I mean, that's just one of the things. And I just saw what is down here in the box, and I'm really excited. And it's gonna be, I mean, it's a stupid excited, really, but I got a ruler pal, and it's so that you can organize all your rulers. And it's so funny because I was watching a video on YouTube, and the person had something like this that they had all the rulers in. I was like, that is super nice. I need to find one of those. And it showed up in my box. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Let's see what else is in here. So there's still a few more things. Sew together medium 1-inch stickets. I have no idea what this is. So it says they're glue dots, and they are double adhesive application for fabric trims, embellishment, flowers, buttons to adhere to any sewing craft or hobby. So I wonder if it's to just kind of hold stuff in place as you work. That would be really nice for buttons, right? Because those are a pain to sew without having something holding them. Yeah, so it just says to help attach, adorn to any sewing, craft, or hobby project. So I might have to look more into this. I'm not really sure what that is. So let me just tell you. So the Ruler Pal, this one has a value of $14.90. The layer cake is, it contains 42 10-inch squares, and this is $40 value. The so this brand says it's Metler silk finished cotton, and it is a value of $365, and the glue dots are $350. So far this box is a little different than some of the other ones I've received, where some of this stuff isn't really where it all goes together. So maybe I shouldn't have started that way. I love everything that's in it, but so far I'm not seeing how a lot of these tie together. I mean, the thread does go really nicely with the fabric, and it looks like this pattern is going to be perfect for it as well. So let's see. Sometimes when you look at the pattern, it'll have some of the little accessories, like that's why they sent it, because it goes really well with it. But it doesn't look like it calls for it in here, but the pattern looks like it's really easy to follow. I don't want to show too much of it because, you know, the person who designed the pattern deserves their glory and people purchasing it if they like it instead of getting it for free. So it's Coriander Quilts by Corey Yoder. It's number 170 patched if you think it's beautiful and are interested in it. It's a really, I'll actually use this pattern. It's really cute. I love ones that can highlight nice big blocks like this one. You really love the fabric. So that's nice. The last thing in the box are some tea towels for autumn. They look like they're really cute. It says on the back, like apple picking, different things that remind you of autumn, hay rides, apple picking, thankful. So that's how one towel looks. And then the other, it looks like it has a turkey or something there, and sunflowers. And right here kind of shows you how they both look. So really cute. I think it's a good box. It's probably not my favorite that I've received from them because not everything goes together perfectly, but I do like everything in it. So just to recap, I got some autumn tea towels in there, a set of 2 18-inch by 27.5 inches, and all this other goodies. So it's a great box. I really love when everything goes together perfectly in it. And the tea towels, their value was $15.95. I think that's the only thing that I didn't. Oh, the quilt pattern, $9.95. So how much a lot of patterns I typically buy cost around that much, unless they're just digital patterns. So it says that the box value is $96.80, and the shipping and handling that they typically charge or get charged for boxes are $8.85. And this box, I believe I pay $55 for it. So you definitely get a lot of value from the things that are sent. So overall, I'm happy with it. This fabric is gorgeous. So I'll open it up and show you guys. Okay, so let's open up this fabric and see what some of these layer cakes look like. I don't want to cut through the fabric. I like when these are actually stacked like a layer cake. And they lay nice and flat already. So just shows you some different ways to cut a layer cake. You've probably seen a million of those if you sew a lot. So again, this is from Apricot and Ash. It's so beautiful, you guys. It's really, really pretty. So I love these tone-on-tone whites. That's really pretty. Some more floral. There's 2 of those. This is cute. Good for adding background fabrics and stuff. That one's the same. So some of the greens that are in here. It's kind of a lime green. If it's not showing up properly on there, it's a little lime green, like a buffalo plaid print. Another print like the one previously, very similar, just in a different color. This really all goes together nicely. Another buffalo plaid look. Another one of that print. Into this like charcoal color is really nice. I think these all really go together beautifully. I'd probably buy more fabric in this line. What do you think of it? I think it's really pretty. I love this peach color here. It's really nice. I'm really happy with the fabric. I think my favorite thing in the box is this fabric, of course. It's almost always the fabric, but then next would be this ruler pal. I'm really excited about it. Probably insanely excited. I don't really know how I would use this. The thread I can always use and it goes nicely with this. I'm probably not the biggest fan of the tea towels. I love autumn and fall. I could have used something more sewing related. And the pattern is really nice. I probably will actually use this pattern with this fabric. So overall, I think it's a really nice box. If you get it, tell me what you thought of this box when you opened yours. And if you haven't already started getting boxes from PreCuts Quilt Shop, has this one convinced you? Would you have loved getting this box? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I would appreciate it if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. If you did, it really helps me out. If you like these type of videos and crafting videos, I think you would like it here. And if you watched to this point, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks, you guys. Bye.